Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're taking a look at a product from BenQ. A massive thank you to them, and they have sent out a ScreenBar e-reading lamp. So let's get into the video. So this is the first product I've ever had from BenQ on the channel. It's very interesting to take a look at this as I do test a lot of monitors. So one thing I would like to highlight straight away on the box is down here at the bottom right hand corner. It has received a Taiwan Excellence Gold Award in 2018. So there's not much on the front here. You get to see the system itself, and this offers space saving technology as it doesn't need a stand. It clips onto your monitor. You don't need an extra power adapter as it uses USB power, and this means that you can work for longer, and it offers a light that will be more suitable to use with your monitor. So I'm really looking forward to testing this out. Turning to the back of the product, it's just showing you simple instructions how to clip this lamp onto your monitor, and very simple and very easy to do. So that's what we're going to do now. So let's get it unboxed first of all. So inside the box, you will see first of all we have all our equipment here. There is a QR code there to fire up and you'll get all the information. First of all, you have a clip here, and this will work with monitors from 1 centimeter to 3 centimeters. So we'll take this out here. You can see it's got BenQ on the side here, BenQ on this side as well. And again, that's got the mount adjustable, so you can really flex that out onto your display, which we'll do with the display I have at the moment. And again, it's got the slot here for the micro USB cable. Talking about that, this is what this is here. So you're going to have micro USB to USB, and that is your power. And I think that's a great way. So you're saving on a power adapter and you're saving on room as well. Nice cable that you can simply tidy away, and again, looks nice and seamless, but offers power through USB. Then finally at the bottom, we have our light strip. So taking out our light strip here, let's take this out of the packaging. The light strip is made of an aluminium alloy, so it gives a nice design. It's a matte black finish, so we have a bit of tape here. Just pull this off. This reveals our sensors, and they're touch sensible, so they're quite easily defined. You can feel them, as you know, being registered blind, to do like a textured design. You can quite clearly see the circles here. Then on the front as well, you've got different light options. So you have your dimmer, you have your light temperature, and there's 8 different choices that will go through from a warm light to a cool light. So if you want to relax and just sit back and enjoy what you're maybe watching, then you'd use a warm light. And then if you want to really concentrate and focus on your work, you're going to use a cool light. Coming across, you've got your automatic dimmer. This will auto adjust your light on the bar depending on your light that surrounds you. And that's thanks to a sensor that's built in here. Then also you have your power. If I turn it around, you'll see the light strip itself inside here. This is an LED light strip. So now what's next is to connect the micro USB to that USB cable, plug that in either to the monitor, which is a great feature because you could use one of your USBs on the monitor if you have one, and then connect to your computer, laptop, MacBook, Chromebook, whatever you're using. To put on the clip, what you need to do is don't slide it in. So now what we're going to do is take our clip and our light strip here, and then we're going to connect it on. So you need the micro USB facing through this slot here, so the cable management system will work its best. Just line this up there, so it's lined up now and it won't move either. And then you have the adjustment of the light as well, so you have a -10 to a +10, so you can just tilt this light as well. So the next thing is connect it up to the monitor, which we're going to do now. A little bit more information, just as I'm showing you some pictures around the bar and connecting it to my monitor. This product is from Amazon UK. Here in the UK, it costs £89. It is available on Amazon US as well, and the price in America is $99. Both links will be in the description. There also will be a link to BenQ, so you can go and check this out for yourself. If you do have any questions or queries, please drop a comment down below. When searching for this product, their model number is AR17. Now let me show you what it's like on the monitor. Connecting the ScreenBar from BenQ is relatively easy. All you need to do is make sure all your sensors are facing forward, and you've got little pictures here that describe what buttons are on top, which is great to know. You've got rubberized grip underneath here, so it's going to grip the back of your monitor really well. So underneath there's a little hook here that goes on the front of your monitor, and again that's got like a rubberized feel underneath as well, so it's not going to damage your screen. So taking it on top of the monitor, put it central in your monitor. You want to be quite central here, and we're going to go there. So it can go from 1 centimeter up to 3 centimeters depending on your monitor thickness. So always check out before buying. And obviously majority of these I've seen being used and tested are on a flat screen. I'm sadly using a curved screen at the moment, but we can really see how it works on a curved screen as well. So just make sure it's more in the middle. tilt. So this light also offers a tilt system, so you can tilt it to where you want it, which is great. Taking the micro USB cable that was provided, this is connected to my MacBook Pro, or you could connect it to the USB dock on the back of the monitor if you have that. Connect this in. So touching the power sensor will turn your bar on, and hopefully you'll see that on the bottom part of my desk here. So if we touch this on, and as you can see it's nice and bright. Then going along, you've got your auto dimmer, so we can turn this on. This will change and adjust to the light that you're using, and it's noticed it's quite dark here, and it's made it slightly a little bit more warmer for me to use. So once that's toggled on, you need to touch the temperature one over here to then change this if you so wish to. So pressing and holding will change the temperature. So this is our warmest light here. It's very warm, very relaxing, and very easy going. Then touching and holding again, this will take you all the way through to the cool light. There's 8 different motions of lighting that you can choose from here. So then on the far side, you have a dimmer as well. You can then dim your lights by just holding on there. It will dim it right down for you. Again, you can press the color one and change the color while in different dim modes as well, which is nice. It's really adjustable to you and very easy to use. Again, you could just touch that auto one and it will auto detect the right light to you thanks to that sensor built on. So this system is really great, and I'm looking forward to really test this out. It seems to have no issues actually on the monitor as well. There's no glare, no feedback there. This will really help your eyes to maintain focus while you're working as well. So you don't just have adjustability with the light itself, changing the light in the different hue temperatures. You can actually tilt this as well. So we can tilt it more inwards, and you can see that it changes at the bottom. Then you can tilt it more up, and there's a 10-degree plus and minus there in the different tiltability, so it all depends if you're working more on your desk or you need to see the screen to relax or to focus when working. So I'm really looking forward to testing this out from BenQ. A massive thank you to BenQ who have sent this out to us to test and review. One key feature I do like is the USB powered. It is USB powered, making it ever so simple and very easy to use. The adjustability seems to be really good as well, and there will be a full review coming up very soon. The links will be in the description, so please go and check them out. If you do have any questions or queries, please also drop a comment down below. Please give the video a thumbs up as it does help, and remember, if you're not subscribed yet, to hit that subscribe and that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. From me, Ricky, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.